Wells, and welcome to my next video. Today we are going to be playing Flight Alert Simulator. I'm pretty sure it's set 3D. Sorry I don't have the opening. It's like last time. I don't really think you guys even liked the openings because it was super loud. I know that because I watched my video. I noticed it was super loud, so I was like, maybe I shouldn't do the thing. But like and subscribe for one. Tell me if you like the beginning of every episode, or if you just like this. So let's get started. Let's play Fly. So I have the tablet, the Viking Pro, and so this I have to move up and down and turn. So you're not gonna see my face 100% of the time. I don't know what's happening. Hello, great day to learn how to land. I already know how to land. I played one before this. No, I should probably turn up the volume actually. Too low, too low. Prepare to land gently. I don't think we're landing gently. Wait, what's happening? What's happening? What? Break. Okay. I don't know where my camera isn't really focusing. Yeah, probably because I'm moving around too much. Tap to continue. Sorry if you guys don't like this just being a gaming channel. No. Sorry if you don't like this just being a gaming channel. If you want me to do challenges or anything like that, just put it down in the description below. Well, not the description, down in the comments below. Okay, hi, I'm Olivia. I'm head of your flight attendants crew. It's great to meet you. I bet we are going to have an amazing time together. Yeah, we are. Now let's buy a new plane and learn some new things. I'm kidding. Okay, airplanes. Alright. Sweet, this one doesn't actually require money. The first one required money to buy new planes. That's why I hate that one. So, okay, I selected it. Select. How much? 10 grand. Yeah, okay, so what do I do now? Oh. Sorry if you can't see some stuff because my camera's in the way. Oh, that's alright. Camera. Don't tell me I'm landing again. Whee! Wow! Pull up your gate! Go straight, bro! You gotta go straight! Do I have to go straight? I don't really. I'm kidding, I'm not gay. But this plane sucks. No! I just thought I was 300 feet above the ground too high. One second, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry. Sorry about that delay. So let's get started. Resume calibration. Safe landing. Turn. Okay. I got it. Oh, too close. Too late. What? Stop the best place ever. I mean, where else do you want to stop? Dead in the world. I want to go dead in the world. I'm not ripping that off Markiplier. No. Markiplier, just make a reference. Great job. One more and you'll be ready to have great flash. With you? Can I set it on autopilot? Please? Upgrade. What the fudge? Fine. Screw you. Whoa. Current. Next one. What, did they just duct tape it to my plane? Yeah, that's gotta be 100% safe. Oh, sorry about the camera, guys. I can never get it in the right places, trust me. Okay. How long have I been doing this video? 7 minutes. So, I can't go over 15 minutes without I have to verify my account for some reason. So, I can only make each video 15 minutes long, and then maybe, if I have enough subscribers and stuff, well, no, if I get some more subscribers, I will make it so that I can have longer videos. What's this top one? Okay, that's my... Oh, so I have to control how fast I'm going too? Seriously? You trying to screw me over? Flying. Why are all this stuff blinking? What the fudge? No! Get to the chopper! Yeah, that wasn't good at all. I got him! Time for a celebration snack. I'm kidding. No, I'm not kidding. Very healthy, actually. And super good. This is a commercial for the sexy and the hungry. Tap to continue. Sorry, I just had to eat something. I have not had breakfast yet, and it's 1 freaking o'clock in the morning. I'm kidding. 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I was gone on a huge trip yesterday. Didn't get home until 3 o'clock in the morning. Slept until 11. And then just I'm eating right now. Complete special levels to unlock new airports. I should be a screen junkie. You'd be freaking amazing. I don't give a dang. Yeah. What's happening? Okay. No, shoot, I'm too low. So, later this summer, my grandma's planning on taking me to Lagoon. I'll try to... What the fudge? Watch out for the bird! Kill it! That freaking bird! What a douche! What a douche! You freaking faggot sack of crap! Dang bird! Pull up! Pull up! My voice! Go down! I want this thing to be super sensitive. Oh, landing impact. Where's my landing gear? Oh. I don't think a real plane would do that. I think it just fall out of the sky, actually. Flight, accuracy, impact. Flight. Oh, yeah. So it's my fault the bird got in my jet engine. Oh, gosh. That was scary. But I have you as my pilot. Maybe I can repay you sometime. No. Thank you for saving us. I feel bad for the bird, though. Screw the bird! The bird's the one who got in the front of the freaking plane! One new engine. Landing gear. Screw you! How much minutes do I have left? I have 3 minutes left, guys, before I have to end this video. Oh, I'm gonna get struck by lightning, aren't I? Wow. I know, I'm going lower. I wonder if you don't follow the exact paths, that's what makes it so then you don't get that stuff. I mean, so then you get those bad things happen. I mean, so those bad things happen. Go down! Okay, I'd hate to be an airplane pilot just because, well, I'm not afraid of heights. It's just all that responsibility and having to know, like, everything on how to do it. So, I mean, just knowing, knowing how to land. I mean, takeoff wouldn't be bad, but landing, yeah, landing would be bad. See, right now I'm still struggling with landing. Doing. How we do it? Banana. No. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end that video there. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And put games down in the comment section you would want me to play, or tell me if you like this game and if I should play it more. Well, see you guys next time. Bye-bye.